Microsoft Clarity's new Consent Mode v2 brings smarter privacy control. Users can choose what data to share. UET Consent Mode ensures your Microsoft advertising tags also respect user consent. And with WebToffee's GDPR cookie consent plugin, it's all handled automatically for your WordPress site. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of integrating Microsoft Clarity Consent Mode version 2 with your website. Begin by navigating to the Microsoft Clarity Consent Mode dashboard. Proceed to Settings and click on Setup. We'll be targeting the Advanced Setting option to disable cookies. By doing this, we're disabling the Automatic Cookie Setting option of Clarity. Moving on, we'll go to the CMP and under the Microsoft Consent Mode tab, select Microsoft Consent Mode. Here, enable Microsoft Clarity Consent Mode. This action allows for a seamless integration of Microsoft Clarity Consent Mode with your website. On the front end, you can verify the correct integration of Microsoft Clarity Consent Mode v2 by visiting the Developer Console. Click on Accept All in the Consent banner. Now, in the Developer Console, you will be able to see the corresponding Microsoft Clarity Consent Mode v2 cookies that have been set. Now, let's move on to integrating Microsoft UET Consent Mode. Start from the Microsoft Ads page and proceed to Conversions. Click on the UET tag. Here, you'll see the UET tags that have been added to your site. Our first step here is to copy the script associated with the UET tag. Click on the Edit button. You'll be able to see the tag's name and description. Click on Save and Next. As we need the tag script, click on Install the tag yourself and then click Next. The tag script will be visible. Copy this tag. Proceed to your site's header PHP file, paste the script, and save the changes. For the next step, return to the CMP and click on Microsoft Consent Mode. Enable the Support Microsoft UET Consent Mode option. This action will enable UET Consent Mode on your website. To verify the integration, visit the homepage and install the Chrome extension UET Tag Helper. Click on the Chrome extension to see the status of the tag. From the Tag Helper, you can confirm that the UET tag is correctly set up. That's all there is to it.